guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angelica Fitzgerald if you are new, and if you are not new, welcome back. So today we have a pretty short video. I'm going to be highlighting two products from the brand Espa, and I was kind of inspired to do this video because of the bizarre but kind of awesome SoCal weather we've been having. So it is Christmas, well, technically it was before Thanksgiving, so it's Thanksgiving time, but for me Christmas is November 1st. Yeah, I'm one of those people. I love Christmas too much to just celebrate it for 1 month. So the holiday spirit is exploding in my house and we are all decorated and ready for Christmas. And another thing that's been fun is the SoCal weather has kind of been playing along. It's been so cold here. It has been like in the 40s. It's been fantastic. I've actually been able to wear sweaters, and the other day I wore a winter coat for the first time in Southern California. What? It's been amazing. But one thing that does come with cold weather, especially if you actually live in a state that is very cold, a lot colder than Southern California, is we encounter dry, flaky, patchy skin. So the two products from Espa that I will be sharing with you guys are body products, and they will be helping in keeping your skin nice and clean and also really buttery, soft, and hydrated. So if you're ready to learn a little bit more about some Espa products, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button down below to keep up with my future videos. Now, let's get started. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go ahead and start off saying these two products that I have been using by Espa are my first products that I've ever tried from them. And these are, as I mentioned, both body products, so I've never tried their actual skincare stuff. Espa is a higher price pointed brand for sure. It's definitely luxury skincare, but the two products I'm gonna be sharing with y'all today are so fantastic. I think they're worth every penny. So if that's any consolation, yeah. Anyways, the two products I have today, one is their exfoliating body polish, which comes in this really big, pretty blue tub. And the second is their smooth and firm body butter, which comes in this massive tub. I have been using both of these products for a little over a month now, and I have been loving them. So I'm gonna start off with the exfoliating polish. So this is a very, very thick exfoliating polish, if you will. What I mean by that is there are a lot of exfoliating beads in this, and this is meant for your whole body. And I like that because you don't have to use half the tub for one use. Since there is so much in a very small amount, I think just a small, like quarter size drop for like each leg, each arm, and your stomach and the rest of your body works great. Also, since this does work really well at removing the dirty layer of skin and bringing the freshest layer to the surface, I've only been using this once every 2 weeks. That's been enough for me. Now I do use the body butter a little bit more because it's cream, so obviously you can use it more, but the exfoliator I don't really want to overdo. Also, if you do have any kind of a spray tan on, body exfoliators are not generally something you want to use to keep your tan. If anything, it's going to remove your spray tan faster. But that is another thing I did want to highlight is I have been using my self tanners at home since it is cold and I'm not getting any sunlight to my skin. I've been relying on those self tanners, and every time I want to reapply and get like a fresh layer of skin and remove any of the excess, like not cute spray tan stuff, I use this and it gets rid of all the spray tan. I mean, every single drop. So this so far has been hands down my favorite body exfoliant that I've ever used. I will say a close second to this because I have shared it on here and on my Instagram. If you follow me there a lot. I love the Yonka body exfoliant products as well. They are a little bit lower of a price point, so this kind of gives you a full spectrum now. The Yonka is a lower skincare price point for the body exfoliant products. This is a little higher, but so incredibly good. This does retail for $64 and it is 6.7 fluid ounces. Also, as I mentioned, I've been using this for a little over a month now and I've used it 3 times total, and there's still a lot left in here. So I would guess if you're gonna, let's just say you use it exactly how I did, once every 2 weeks, this will probably last you a good 4-ish months. For $64 seems very fair in my opinion. And this again is just amazing. So I will link this below for you to check out. Also, I did want to share a recommendation with these products for getting the smoothest skin. So if you do shave before you exfoliate, use the exfoliator, then use the body butter. That is the way to get the most effective, smooth skin. I personally have never done that because I don't shave. I've had laser hair removal, so I don't have to do that. But I figured I would share that since I know shaving is probably the most common form of hair removal. If you do shave, then use the exfoliator, then use the body butter, you should expect like the most buttery soft skin ever. So just wanted to share that in case you didn't know. All right, let's move on to the body butter. You guys, this is some of the best body butter I've ever tried. There is so much product. This thing weighs a ton. I mean, it weighs so much. So it does retail for $94. Is a bit of a higher price point for a body butter. It's funny how when you think of anti-aging face creams, spending like $75, $80, $90 for a face cream that's half the size of this is like, oh, no problem, because it's for your face. But then when we think of a body butter being $94, it's like, oh my God, this is definitely the most expensive body butter I've ever gotten. And I obviously was having very high expectations for it with that price point. But it has so much product. Again, I've been using this for the same amount of time that I've been using the exfoliator, but I've been using the body butter at least twice a week because when I get out of the shower, I put some kind of a lotion on my body, especially if it's at nighttime. I don't know if y'all can kind of tell since it's white. It might be a little bit hard. I'm gonna put it back here. I don't know if y'all can tell back here either, but look at how much product I have left. If you can tell, I feel like, okay, you can see that when I awkwardly turn it this way. There's so much product left in here. A little goes a very, very, very long way. I can easily see this product lasting me for 4 to 5 months as well. So since these products are excessively large and you don't need that much, the price, in my opinion, is very justifiable. If this was a product that I was gonna use up in 1 month, either of these products, I would say you can find really good products as well that are a little less expensive. But with the quality of these, with how well they work, with how little you need to use, hence how long they'll last, I feel like $92 and $64 are honestly a very fair price. Also, since we have Christmas on the mind and the holidays on the mind, I feel like these would make such good gifts for someone. Your mom, your aunt, your sister, your cousin, like anybody. Even men, I mean, my husband for sure steals this. He says he doesn't, but I know he does. For guys, this is a great brand as well. So if you have a guy in your life that you think needs to up his skincare game or just have some kind of a skincare game, I think Espa would be a great brand as well. It is a very simple, clean, luxury skincare line. Up until I use these products, I had heard wonderful things about them. And so far for the body products, they have exceeded my expectations. I also feel kind of just bougie having these in my shower because they're gorgeous, if you can't tell. All of the Espa products are very like light, muted tones. So if you do care about the aesthetic of things in your bathroom, just gonna throw that out there. These are really beautiful products. So I will link the body butter down below as well. And honestly, I can say using this duo a couple times a month, my skin, especially my legs, because obviously your legs are like what you touch and stuff. You're usually not like rubbing your belly or your hips, you're rubbing your legs. And I have noticed such a smoothness. My hubs has noticed such a smoothness as well. If you are in a colder area, I could not recommend the body butter enough. This leaves my skin feeling hydrated for days. I mean, I really only need to use it twice a week because it is a ultra hydrating body butter cream. So other than that, guys, that is it for this video. I just wanted to highlight my 2 new favorite body products. They are so bomb. I could not recommend them enough, especially if you're looking for some solid luxury body care products. I could not recommend these more. So if you have any questions about these products, definitely shoot me a comment down below or message me on Instagram. I'll put my handle right here. I know this video was so short, but I hope it gave you some clarity if you were interested to know if these 2 products were good or not. Other than that, guys, I hope you have a fantastic day and I will see you in my next video. Bye!